Did you know a Roman emperor was once used as a human stepping stool? In 260 CE, Emperor Valerian led his army against the mighty Persian Empire, but something went terribly wrong during peace talks with King Shapur I. Instead of negotiating, Shapur captured Valerian alive. This had never happened before in Roman history. No emperor had ever been taken prisoner by an enemy. What came next was even worse than death. For years, whenever the Persian king wanted to mount his horse, he would call for Valerian. The once mighty ruler of Rome was forced to get on his hands and knees so Shapur could step on his back to climb onto his horse. Imagine the humiliation. The man who once commanded the greatest empire on earth, reduced to furniture for his enemy. But Shapur wasn't done. When Valerian finally died, the Persian king had his skin removed and stuffed with straw. He displayed it in a temple like a trophy for all to see, the ultimate insult to Roman pride.